Good morning everyone, and how are you all? I hope you all are happy, safe and healthy at your home. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Oh, we are so happy to welcome you. So you all are welcome to yet another day in your digital LKG class. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. Very good. And today we are going to learn a very new letter in our English alphabet. Now, as you can see, we are approaching to the end of the alphabet. So it is your duty and responsibility to remember the alphabets or letters we have done previously with their phonetic sounds. Okay, so today we are going to do a very new letter, that is W. And its sound is wa. W, wa. W says wa. छोटी सी आवाज आएगी वा, लंबा नहीं खींचेंगे, वा नहीं बोलेंगे, वा watch, wawa wolf, wawa window, wa. W says wa. Okay, so before moving ahead, let us all see, listen and speak. See the pictures of the sound story. Listen to the words that I am telling you and then repeat them through your mouth. Whatever I am saying, you have to repeat it. Okay, whatever I am saying, you have to repeat it. Okay, so before moving ahead, let us start with the pictures recognition from all the characters of W sound story. And what is the sound of W? Wa. W says wa. Watch, wawa. Water, wawa. Wool. Okay, so let's start. See carefully and watch, listen and then repeat. Okay, let's start. So dear all, as I've told you earlier that today we are going to do a new letter of our English alphabets, that is W. And its sound is wa. Short बोलेंगे, छोटा सा wa. ठीक है, W and its sound is wa. So this is W, very simple, just like a V, slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down, slanting line up, and a curve W. Okay, now let's see and recognize all the pictures and repeat after me. Okay, wawa, woman, wawa, woman, wawa, women, wawa, women, wawa, waterfall, waterfall. वाटरफॉल क्या होता है? जब पानी जो है एक ऊपर ऊंचे पहाड़ से हाइट से नीचे गिरता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ वाटरफॉल. ओके, वाटरफॉल. जब मॉनसून सीजन होते हैं, अगर आप कुल्लू वाली साइड जाते हो तो आपको रास्ते में कितने वाटरफॉल्स दिखाई देंगे. वो एक पहाड़ के ऊपर से, एक हिल के ऊपर से जब पानी गिरता है, दैट इज वाटरफॉल. ओके, वावा waterfall, waterfall. And this is Wajid. Wajid कौन है? Who is Wajid? Wajid is son of that women का जो बेटा है, that is Wajid. Wajid. And this is wool. आजकल विंटर्स है ना, विंटर्स में मम्मा वूल से क्या बनाती है आपके लिए? स्वेटर्स बनाती है ना. यस, दिस इज वूल. वूल. एंड दिस इज, वी ऑल नो, वॉच. वॉच. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज दिस person doing? What is he doing? He is washing his hands. Washing in hands. किस में वॉश कर रहे हैं हैंड्स को? वाटर में. water. Washing in hands in water. Water. Washing. Water. And this is, yes, dangerous. This is wolf, wawa, wolf, wawa, wolf, wawa, wolf. Okay, wolf मतलब भेड़िया, wawa, wolf. And this is a window, wawa, window, wawa, window, wawa, window. जो हमने ख व्यंजन की कहानी पढ़ी थी ना, खिड़की, वो है ये खिड़की, वावा विंडो. उसमें से तो अंदर क्या आई थी, एक खत आया था, लेकिन इस विंडो से अंदर क्या आएगा वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. वावा विंडो, वावा window. Okay, so these were the words, new words that you are going to learn in the W sound story. Now the sound of W is wawa, wa. Short बोलेंगे, छोटा सा, wa, wa. Okay, now let's come to the Fun with English book and read the same story from our Fun with English book. But before that, let us just have a quick go through a story from these pictures. Okay, a woman went to a waterfall with her son Wajid. A woman कहाँ गई? Waterfall किसके साथ? With her son Wajid. With her son Wajid. Woman गई waterfall पे with her son Wajid के साथ. The woman took out a ball of wool and started knitting. Woman ने क्या किया? She took out a ball of wool and started knitting. उसने एक wool का बॉल निकाला और knitting करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Knitting means स्वेटर बुनना स्टार्ट कर दिया. Okay? Wajid took out his watch. Wajid ने अपनी वॉच निकाल के साइड पे रखी and he started washing his hands in the water. In the water that was coming from the waterfall. किसमें hands wash करना शुरू किया? Water which was coming from the waterfall. पानी, water जो कहाँ से आ रहा था? Waterfall से आ रहा था. Suddenly, अचानक, a wolf came out of the window of the house. Suddenly, a wolf came. अचानक एक wolf आया. कहाँ से? Window of the house, घर की window से. The woman and her son got scared and ran away. Obviously अगर हम भी wolf देखेंगे तो हमें भी तो डर लगेगा. And woman और उसके जो son था वो क्या हुआ? वो वहाँ से भाग गए. They ran away from there. Now it's time to do the same story from our Fun with English book. Okay? Now all of you, this is W, this is W. And we are doing W sound story. What is the sound of W? Wa. Wawa. W. Wawa. W. Let's do the reading of all the new words once again. Wawa. Waterfall. Wawa. Window. Wawa. Wolf. Wawa. Woman. Wawa. Wool. Wawa. Wajid. Wash, water, watch. Now let's do the story. A woman went to a waterfall with her son Wajid. A woman went to the waterfall with her son Wajid. एक woman waterfall पे गई किसके साथ? अपने son के साथ. What was his name? Wajid. What was his name? Wajid. The woman took out a ball of wool and started knitting. A woman took out a ball of wool and started knitting. Woman ने क्या किया? एक wool का ball निकाला और knitting करना शुरू कर दिया. Wajid took out his watch and started washing his hands in the water. Okay, वाजिद ने क्या किया? वाजिद ने अपनी वॉच को निकाल के साइड पे रखा और अपने हैंड्स को वॉश करना शुरू किया. किस में? वाटर में. वाटर कहाँ से आ रहा था? वाटरफॉल से आ रहा था. ओके. Suddenly a wolf came. Oh my God, so dangerous. Suddenly a wolf came out of the window of the house, and woman and her son got scared and ran away. और अचानक कौन आ गया उधर? वुल्फ. कहाँ से? विंडो ऑफ द हाउस, घर की विंडो से बाहर आ गया. ओके. और वुमेन और उनके सन वाजिद वहाँ से डर के भाग गए, वहाँ से डर के भाग गए. ओके, that's it for the story. Now it's your turn to read the story like women, Wajid, wolf, wawa. Ma'am, wa nahi bol rahi. Ma'am is saying wawa. Short form mein, wawa. Okay. This is your time to read the story. Okay, love you. Take care, all of you.